How to make money in real estate. Whether you are curious about the investment potential of real estate or you are simply sick of information promising little known way to profit from your property, it's worth learning for real how real estate creates wealth. Rather than providing strategies for investing in real estate or a premier on home ownership for first-time buyers, this article will focus on how to make money through real estate. It will cover both the basics methods that have not changed in centuries, no matter what kind of gloss the gurus of the moment try to put on them, and specific opportunities that have arisen relatively recently. The most common way to make money in real estate is through appreciation and increase in the property's value that is realized when you sell. Location development and improvements are the primary ways that residential and commercial real estate can appreciate in value. Inflation can also play a role in increasing a property value over time. You can also make money in the form of income from rents or location development and improvements are the primary ways that residential and commercial real estate can appreciate in value. Inflation can also play a role in increasing a property value over time. You can also make money in the form of income from rents for both residential and commercial properties, and companies may pay you royalties on for land. For example, for any discoveries such as minerals or as real estate investments, trust or mortgage-backed securities, MBSS Mortgage Investment Corporation (MICS) and Real Estate Investment Groups (REIGS) are investment alternatives. Making money in real estate can depend on many factors: market conditions that affect remodeling costs, housing prices, interest rates, rental rates, and tenant availability. Real estate profits from increasing property value. The most common way that real estate offers a profit it appreciates that is, it increases in value. This is achieved in different way for different types of property, but it is only realized in one way through selling. However, you can increase your return on investment on a property in several ways. One way, if you borrowed money to buy the property, is to refi- refinance the loan at lower interest. This will lower your cost basics for this property, this thus increasing the amount that you clear from it. The most obvious source of appreciation for undeveloped land is, of course, developing it. As cities expand, land outside the limits becomes increasingly valuable because of the potential for it to be purchased by developers. When developers build houses or commercial buildings, it raises that value even further. Appreciation in land can also come from discoveries of valuable minerals or other commodities, provided that the buyer holds the rights to them. An extreme example of this would be striking oil, but appreciation can also come from gravel deposits, trees, and other natural resources. When looking at residential properties, location is often the biggest factor in appreciation as the neighborhood around home evolves, adding transit routes, schools, shopping centers, playgrounds, and more. These changes cause the home values to climb. Of course, this trend can also work in reverse, with home values falling as a neighborhood decays.